model, 2016 Peugeot partner BERLINGO 1.6 HDi professional spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 122662. MOT, 14 January 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6D FAP-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very easy repair for someone that knows what they are doing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.